Hi and welcome to Crash Course. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to be walking you guys through how to find scholarly sources. So right now, as you can see, we're on the CCB homepage. What you're going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you should find the link to the library. So go ahead and click on that. So now you're on the library page, and this is where it provides OneSearch as well as quick links to EBSCOhost and ProQuest, as well as other research guides. So I'll walk you through OneSearch first. OneSearch, it offers many different databases. So if you go to databases A to Z and let that open up, you can see that it has different options from historical periodicals, just searching through academic searches. And yeah, if you just keep scrolling, you can see there's a lot of stuff that pertains to specific majors. For example, ERIC is a popular one when you're searching stuff for psychology, as well as PsycInfo. I will keep scrolling and we'll go back really quickly to EBSCOhost. It's basically the same thing. It's going to ask you to log in using your student ID, and let's let that load. So now that it's loaded, you can see it's kind of the same thing as OneSearch. I'm just gonna hit not select all. I'm just gonna hit academic search complete. If you hit select all, you're gonna get way too many sources than you actually need. So just make sure you're searching for what you really, really want. And here it gives you the option to enter your keywords. So let's say, for example, I'm looking for articles about sensation seeking, and I'll enter that as my keyword first. As you can see, it comes up with over roughly 3,000 articles. And before we get into them, you could even refine your search even more to sensation seeking, and let's only focus on adolescence. So it narrows it down to 673, which is good. As always, whenever you're looking for sources, you could usually just look through the abstract to kind of get a general idea, but it's so important to read the full article first. In order to open the articles, once you navigate to this page, there's usually something that says PDF full text, or it also offers the option to just search for the full text. But here, a PDF is provided, so that's what we're going to open up. As you can see, it has the abstract and keywords here in gray. And yeah, just read through the article. Does it pertain to what you're looking for? And then you could go back. There's a save option so you don't lose your articles. But one last thing before I let you guys go is there's a little cheat sheet for citations too. So on the side, you should see an option to cite source, and it offers citations in different formats, so make sure the one that you're looking for pertains to the type of essay that you're writing. In this case, since this is a psychology paper, I'd be looking for APA format. And as always, you could copy and paste this if you want. However, I must warn you to always open up your citation handbook just to make sure that it's the updated citation and everything is in proper order, meaning you alphabetized it, you italicized words that are necessary, and so on and so forth. And that is all for searching for sources. Thank you, and have a nice day.